Mel Robbins recently put out a video where she said to stop with the anger because it would make you feel better. She said to put down the sword. And I want to talk a little bit about that because I fully, heartily agree with her. And I want to take it a little bit farther. We spend a lot of energy being mad. Life is hard. Stuff is not going our way. The planet, the economy, politics, whatever it happens to be, post-pandemic, things have shifted and life feels just a little bit more of a slog for many, many, many people. And energy is the one resource that we have that is exceedingly finite. You only have so much energy, and anger takes up an awful lot of it. It gets comfortable. It's kind of like an old sweater. You put it on and then you just wear it because it feels comfortable to just be mad all the time. I have a story for you. I sent a Happy Father's Day text to my son's best friend who is a first-time brand new father. And I sent it to him, and the immediate response was F off. And I thought, what? This guy would never say that to me. I mean, he's like our extra kid and sends me happy Mother's Day things, etc. So I was kind of surprised. But then I thought, well, wait a minute. There must be a mistake. Maybe he thought I was somebody else, etc. Next thing you know, I got, who are you? And I said, it's Jenny, which is what my family calls me. And I told him who it was, and and next thing you know, I got wrong number. And I thought, oh, it's the wrong number. And I thought I could have answered more than one way. I could have been all angry that this person said something so rude to me right off the bat when I had sent something quite nice. And then I thought, I have no idea what their situation is. I have no idea what's going on for this person who apparently has my son's friend's old phone number. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to say something neutral. And so I said, I apologize. That's all I said. And it's not just because I'm Canadian that I was apologizing. I was experimenting, okay? And the response I got was, it's okay. And I thought, you know what? I made some headway there. I made a little bit of headway. I wasn't angry at the really nasty first response, and this person went on their way. Anyway, when I did reach the actual person I was trying to say Happy Father's Day to and explained what had happened, this young man said to me, wow, that person clearly has some issues. And you know what? Yeah, we all have issues of some kind or another, and we don't immediately know what's going on for someone else. And the weapon that we often use, the sword, is our devices, where we randomly assume we know what's going on for somebody else, and we strike back in comments, in commentary, all over the place. So my suggestion is, if you want to feel a little bit better, take off that old sweater of anger. Save it for when you actually need it, because there are times when you need to be angry. There are things that are going on in the world that, yes, you can take action on and you can do something about. And it's a valid and good emotion if it's used with some ethics. So I'm not saying never be angry. I'm just saying give yourself a break and pay attention to, are you wearing that sweater all the time? Are you angry for no reason all the time? Or at people that don't deserve it? That's my question. The first step in changing anything is to become aware of it. So pay attention to when you're wearing that sweater. Talk to you soon.